In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your friends on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then at top left hand corner tap at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Then at top right hand corner tap at gear icon to open up settings. Then scroll down until you find under the additional services manage feature, get into it, and then hit on contacts. Here first you have to enable seeing contacts feature. Just hit at the switcher to toggle this feature on. Now your contact will be shared with Snapchat to help you find friends. Now you can go to your profile there, scroll down for a bit, and here under friends hit on add friends. And here you can find all contacts. Just tap on that and it shows you up all Snapchat users from your contacts list, and you can simply tap on that add button next to user's name to add that persons to your Snapchat friends. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.